100% write-off with a Porsche Taycan EV through the business. Can you do it? How do you do it? Here's a worked example. For a relatively new model Porsche Taycan, you're going to pay 86,990 list price. And now that's important. Make sure it's always the list price that you're working it out on and not just the cost. Next, you're going to look at benefit in kind, which is going to be a percentage based on the CO2 emissions usually of the vehicle, or in this case, because it's an EV, the lack of, which is why the percentage is only 3%. Now, this is going to increase in future tax years, so make sure you note that as well. Now, 3% of the 86,990 is going to be 260970. That's your benefit in kind value. Now, you don't pay that directly, but you will pay income tax on that on your personal tax return. If you're still in the basic rate band, that is going to be 52194. If you've already used your basic rate band, it's going to be at 40%, so it's going to be £1,043.88. On top of this, your company is also going to pay Class 1A national insurance at 15% of the benefit in kind amount, totaling £391.46. But here's the good bit. So assuming you qualify for first year allowance and you're paying corporation tax at 25%, you're now going to be able to claim £21,747.50 off your corporation tax bill. Let's minus the personal tax you paid on the benefit in kind, assuming you're at the 40% rate, that's £1,435.34. You are now net positive in the money, £20,312.16. However, here's the part they don't tell you. You've got depreciation on the vehicle. And if you go to sell the vehicle, you're also then going to have to pay corporation tax on the amount that you sell it for. So it's only going to be the depreciated asset value that you actually save in tax on, plus you've got additional costs, luxury car tax, potentially fuel duty. So it's not all sunshine and rainbows, and you really need to do the right planning before making such a big purchase.